Good morning to my dear student. Today we have discussed about United Nations Organization. Introduction. The United Nations Organization, an international organization, was established in 1945. During the Second World War, the American President F.D. Roosevelt and the Prime Minister Winston Churchill met on a battleship and concluded the Atlantic Charter. This charter was discussed in various conferences. Finally, the UN Charter was signed at San Francisco on 26 June 1945. As a result, UNO came into existence on 24 October 1945. At present, UNO has 193 members with its headquarters at New York. Main objectives: to maintain international peace and security, to develop friendly relations among nations, to settle international disputes by peaceful means, to be a center for helping nations to achieve these goals. Organs of the UNO. The UNO has 6 major organs. They are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice, and the Secretariat. The General Assembly. The General Assembly is the UNO's main organ and deliberative body. It has the right to discuss and make recommendations on all matters within the scope of the UN Charter. It consists of representatives of all member countries. Each member country and send 5 members with 1 vote. Generally, it meets once in a year. Mr. Vijayalakshmi Pandit of India was elected as the President of the General Assembly in 1953. The Security Council. The Council has 5 permanent members: the USA, the UK, France, the Russian Federation, and China. The Council has 10 non-permanent members are elected by the General Assembly for 2 years term. The permanent members have the right to veto for any Council decision. Its main responsibility is to maintain international peace and security. The Economic and Social Council. It consists of 54 members for a period of 9 years. 1/3 of its members retire every 3 years. It coordinates the economic and social work of the United Nations and its specialist agencies. The Trusteeship. The Trusteeship Council looked after territories placed under the trusteeship of the UNO. Most of these territories were taken from nations defeated at the end of the World War II. The Trusteeship Council suspended its operations in 1st November 1994 as all these trust territories have attained independence or self-government. International Court of Justice. The principal judicial body of the UNO is the International Court of Justice. It is located at The Hague in Netherlands. It consists of 15 judges elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council. The Secretariat. The administrative function of the UNO are performed by the Secretariat. The UN Secretariat carries out the day-to-day works of the organization and implements the programs and policies laid down by the organs of the UNO. The Secretary General is the Chief Administrative Officer of the UNO. He appointed by the General Assembly on the advice of the Security Council for a period of 5 years. The present UN Secretary General is Mr. Antonio Guterres from Portugal. Thank you, my dear students.